Did you go to Gdansk last weekend? Yes, I went to Gdansk last weekend. Did you go to the cinema last week? No, I didn't go to the cinema last week. Did you watch 3 Billboards? Yes, I watched 3 Billboards. Did you visit your family last month? No, I didn't visit my family last month. Did you ride your bike to work today? Yes, I rode my bike to work today. Did you cook dinner yesterday? No, I didn't cook dinner yesterday. Did you travel to Warsaw last year? Yes, I traveled to Warsaw last year. Yes, I went to Gdansk last weekend. No, I didn't go to the cinema last week. Yes, I watched 3 Billboards. No, I didn't visit my family last month. Yes, I rode my bike to work today. No, I didn't cook dinner yesterday. Yes, I traveled to Warsaw last year.